The Pittsburgh Penguins took a commanding 3-1 series lead in the Stanley Cup Final with a 3-1 victory over the San Jose Sharks in Game 4 on Monday. The Pens dominated throughout the game with goals from Ian Cole, Evgeni Malkin, and Eric Fehr, while Phil Kessel also filled the stat sheet with 2 assists. The Sharks were able to cut their deficit to 1 goal when Melker Karlsson found the back of the net with 11:53 remaining in the third period. But that would be all the scoring for San Jose as Matt Murray stood his ground in net. The series now shifts back to Pittsburgh for Game 5 on Thursday night.